If you're in LA looking for some good food, I got a Haitian spot for you to check out in downtown at Locals Only. This is Island Flavors. This mother-son duo is serving up some authentic Caribbean cuisine. That Creole salmon is fire, it's spicy, the black rice go crazy, and it wouldn't be an island dish without the plantain. This is banana peasy, it's like a fried plantain with the pickles on top, that's fire. And you know I had to get the oxtails. They super tender and they full of flavor, probably some of the best oxtails I've ever had. They gave me this sauce for this rice and it's fire. I don't even know the name of it, but this fried chicken, it's not fried with any batter or flour and it's super crispy, and that green sauce is just amazing. And then they gave me a dish called bangu fries. It's like a smoky steak with fresh cut fries, fresh herbs, barbecue sauce, and green sauce. That's amazing. So go check them out and let them know Taste Food Tour sent you. Bust it.